It's baking day. Caitlin, Takoya, and Trinity are visiting their grandma for something sweet.
Well, look who the wind rolled in, my favorite little bakers.
We're ready to bake, Grandma.
Let's head to the kitchen, wash up, and get our aprons on.
Grandma's kitchen is full of colors, smells, and warm memories.
Today we're baking banana muffins. Caitlin, can you read the ingredients?
We need bananas, flour, eggs, sugar, and a sprinkle of love.
You're doing great, my sugar sprinkles.
It's like a flower cloud.
Oops, I didn't mean to. Sweetheart, baking is messy sometimes. That's why we clean as we go.
Sometimes the best memories are the messiest ones.
Now we wait, and I have something special.
Look, that's me with 2 whisks.
I remember that day. We spilled sugar everywhere.
Some recipes are written with laughter.
Fresh, warm, and full of love.
Tastes like hugs.
Can we bake again next weekend?
Anytime, my sweethearts.
At Grandma's house, the secret ingredient is always love. Like and subscribe for more sweet stories.